What's up, love God family? Big up on yourself. Welcome back, peeps, kings and queens. So I am here with another banger video. I'm making some ital soup. I just come to show you my ingredients and to shout out to my Jamaican grocery store that provide the good up stuff them that we need to make the pot into a power punch. You can add your soup, your meat in it if you would like to have meat, but right now it's strictly ital soup. So some coconut, some Caribbean Dreams coconut milk powder. Here I have some coconuts that I already blend out. Guess what, people? I bought a coconut, like a jelly coconut. I was going to eat the coconut, but then I put the coconut in the freezer. And then when it thawed out, now I didn't like how it looks, so I just decided I'm going to add it to my soup. So I'm going to blend out my coconut powder with my milk here. I have some jackfruit seed, sweet potato, and this is butternut squash, and some real pumpkin, some real Jamaican pumpkin. This is our pumpkin, and some chickpeas, garbanzo beans. So I have 4 bags of the 1 pound garbanzo beans. When that is mostly cooked, then I'm gonna add some real lentils to it. Mixed lentils. I buy this one at the turmeric store. And shout out to my Jamaican peeps, Stacy and Omar. Big up to the Caribbean grocery store. If anybody interested in getting some cock soup, some coconut milk, the great Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. This is our pepper that we love back home. Spicy, but not too crazy spicy, but a loads of flavor, people. Loads of flavor, people. So I've never cooked jackfruit seed before, so I am attempting it in my soup. So some cock soup, the Grace cock soup, 3 different flavors I will be adding, and my 2 coconut milk. Yeah, so when it's done, family, I will come back and make a bowl for you. So big up to the Jamaican the Jamaican grocery store again. If anybody interested, the address is 13063 North Cave Creek Road. The phone number 602-551-3930. And that's where I get my coconut milk from, my pumpkin, my Scotch bonnet, my cock soup. But if you visit, they have much more. They have so much stuff. If you want to get a touch of the Jamaican flavor, that's the corner to go. So my pot has most of the goodies inside of it. So I just come to show you. I'm gonna let it cook. Then I'm gonna take out the vegetables, the pumpkin and the squash, and then I'm gonna blend it with some sea moss. So I'll come back to you with the video and show you the finished product. Bless upon yourself, nice people. Love God family, bless upon yourself. Know that you are blessed and you're highly favored every day. That you can stand up, you can get out of your bed, you can move, you have choices. You are blessed. You are blessed and you're highly favored. And above all of the blessing and the highly favor, God is the beginning and the ending. Without Him, we are nothing. We can't do nothing. we are of nothing. Some people may not believe, but for me, I can't live without God. I just can't live without Him. I can't do without Him. He's the reason for my waking up. He's the reason for my laying down. He's the reason for my moving around. He's the reason for everything that I have achieved. Because when I was a little girl growing up in Jamaica, my parents was very poor. Very poor. But one thing they teach us was value. We appreciate each other. We love each other. We do good things to each other. Because you know the Bible says, do unto others that what you would like them to do unto you. And a lot of people likes to do things to people that they don't like get done to them. But my motto is to do good. The Bible says, love cover a multitude of sin. So if we show more love and cancel more hate, then this world is going to be a better place. Love God, fam. I'll come back with the finished product. I'll probably even give you a sneak peek of when it's boiling to see how it looks. But most people knows how food look when it's cooking. My pot is just beans, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, a little piece of thyme, my 2 Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm adding in some jackfruit seed. I've never cooked the jackfruit seed before, but I watch on the Andines TV on YouTube. Those people are funny. I love their videos. And Kerry had mentioned that one lady show her how to cook the jackfruit seed. I'm like, okay. I made a salad yesterday, and I have jackfruit in my salad. So I'm like, okay. I remember that she said that, so I'm just gonna throw the seed, the jackfruit seed in, and let it cook and see how it tastes and what it's gonna be like. So, love God, family. I'm gonna incorporate my milk powder in my fresh coconut mix and incorporate it here in the pot and let it stay and boil until all the food is cooked, and then I'm gonna blend all of the food out, so it's gonna be a nice thick broth. So I'm gonna blend that with some sea moss to help even give it a little bit more thickness. Then I'm gonna flavor with my cock soup and add some more beans, and then share a bowl with you. Bless up on yourself, take care of yourself, yard style, real Italis. Or for the Americans, it's called vegan. Welcome back, Good God family. The girl was so tired after making all those videos. She was so tired, so she went and go get a nap. And now I'm coming back. You can see the soup. Everything is fully cooked. The pumpkin and the potatoes and the squash. So I have the pumpkin, little beans are there too, and the squash in the blender. Then I'm gonna add some sea moss, and then I'm gonna blend, and then my soup is gonna get that pretty color. When I'm at my place of work, when they make soup, it's very brothy. We from Jamaica, we don't like brothy soup. We like soup that has a little texture and a little body. See, this is all my beans, nice cooked. So I'm gonna add some sea moss to the mix. It gets very nice. So here's my sea moss, guys, already. My sea moss gel already pre-prepared. So I'm gonna pour in the blender. I've been cooking since I was a little girl. My family, we were a family of 4, and then my brother came, so we became a family of 5. So I've been cooking from that time. So you can see where the sea moss is in the blender. Consistency, very nice. So it's gonna make the soup very thick. And then after that, I'm gonna add those goodness over there. I'm probably gonna add 3 cups of lentils. So we continue cooking. You know, the lentil is not hard to cook. I'm gonna run the blender, and then I'm gonna show you the consistency after it's fully guys. You can see the color, so beautiful. I'm trying to get everything off into my soup. So you see the color of this soup, what it's gonna be after I pour the pumpkin and the squash that's fully blended in. Night and day, guys. It's gonna be night and day. Everything from a nice vegan soup. We call it ital soup, no meat. If you want meat, you can add meat. I'm not doing any meat today. The soup, just vegetable and beans. I'm gonna pour, guys. Okay. It's a sea moss. Vegetable blended. See the color of my soup now. Nice consistency, nice color. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So it's my 2 Scotch bonnet pepper, my beans, and my jackfruit seed. I'm gonna put no dumplings today. This soup is just vegetable. I'm gonna eat it with cabbage. The beans and the cabbage, a lot of fiber, guys, a lot of fiber. So a lot of people have constipation problem. When they go to the restroom, they're so hard to pass their waist. So guys, the key is you consume fiber, a lot of fiber, and drink a lot of water. I don't like water, but I try to drink water or eat a lot of watermelon, a lot of fruits that consist a lot of water. And I like my soups, so I make the soups and I put a lot of stuff that's fiber in it. When I'm making a bowl of soup, I have some broccoli, some cauliflower, and some cabbage. That's my soup, guys. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. I'm gonna put some cock soup. You know, Jamaicans, their soup is not soup until they put some cock soup in it. Real yard style. Yeah. Ital soup. Americans call it vegan. But for us, when we make any kind of food that there is no meat, it's called vegan. See, I'm gonna use this 3 flavor. This is a pumpkin flavor soup mix. Chicken flavor. That's the chicken flavor, guys, but for people that don't eat meat at all, they wouldn't use this flavor. But I eat meat occasionally. I eat chicken, I eat fish. I don't really buy pork, I don't really buy beef. Very rare I eat beef, like if I feel like I want to make a burger. So most of my meat is chicken and fish. Yeah, and I like oxtail too, so sometimes I'll do the oxtail, the cow foot. Yeah, but the lean part of the meat, not really. I don't really fool around it. I'll eat it, but I don't really buy it for my home. So these are packed with flavors. So I'm just gonna pour them in. Flavors and seasoning. So all I put when I started my soup, guys, was just a little salt, because not too much, because these things have a lot of salt flavor. So if you fully season the pot and then you add these, it's gonna make it too salty, and you don't want it to be too salty. See the consistency, guys? Nice and thick. Yard style Jamaican soup, Jamaican Ital soup. If you're learning anything, guys, if you like what you see, leave me comments, ask question, like, share, and ring the notification bell, so whenever the videos are dropped, when the video them jump out, them jump in pa uno. Quick and fast. Capish? Soup, guys. Very easy, not hard. I'm gonna add some lentils. You know, the lentils, they're not hard to cook, so I didn't add them in from the beginning. Add them now to the end, so the process can finish up. Yes, guys, that's my Ital soup. Ital means no meat. And I didn't put any yam, no dumpling, no potatoes, just bean. Fiber. So this bean, this lentil has split peas, lentils, and all the good stuff that's going on right here. I'm giving it a good wash. Because I like to clean my food. So whatever impurities in it, hopefully it will wash away. If anything is left, then the fire, the heat from the cooking is going to diminish it. Yes guys, so my beans, my lentils, my split peas go right in and simmer. So something that I have to share with you guys, whenever you put the cock soup in, if you walk away and leave it, it will burn. You gotta spin it just like when you're making cornmeal porridge. You gotta give it some stir and stir, because sometimes it goes and sits at the bottom of the pot and then it boils and then it sticks. So you stir it for a while. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So guys, who would like to have a cup of vegan soup? Whenever it's fully done, I'm gonna come back and make a bowl and show you the finished product. Just remember, God is the beginning, God is the ending. We are blessed and highly favored by Him. Love God, family. We are blessed and highly favored by Him. We couldn't wake up without Him. We can't do anything without Him. With Him, all things are possible. So, Jamaican people love their soup. I'm gonna make a bowl with you guys so you can see. You guys, nice consistency. There. Add some vegetables. Wait. Like cauliflower. Green ones. I told you before when I was making this salad that all this vegetable is so good for the body. Cabbage, onions, some purple cabbage. Look how beautiful it is, guys. So good. Shaved onions. Guys, we're gonna drink some soup. See how beautiful the soup is? Very nice, very colorful, and very tasty. So, Chef Nadine from Andines Creation. So good, guys, and so filling. There's a lot of fiber, so it helps your digestive system to work very well. Very nice, guys. Very tasty, full of flavor. Love God family. Bon appetit.